I'm so excited to show you my jet lag blend. It takes just a minute to make and smells gorgeous, and even if you don't fly, I think you'll love it. At the end, I'll show you how to get the most out of it.
Hello everybody, this is Jeannie Bradley, your Essential Fairy Godmother.
I tried this jet lag blend on a 12-hour flight and absolutely loved it. I was never ever tired, even though I didn't sleep on the plane at all, which I usually like to do. I've had so many people say, oh, I need that for perfume. This is 10 milliliters. And so I found this 5 milliliter one that I want to use because I usually don't need 10 milliliters when I travel for a week and a half. So I'm just gonna show you, with a 5 milliliter, you would use 5 drops each, grapefruit, lavender, and bergamot. Okay, there we go. It's not very much oil. I don't know if you can see, it's hardly anything. That's what I love about the oils, is they're so concentrated that you hardly need any of them. Then I'm gonna fill this up with fractionated coconut oil. This is pure and it's good quality because it's doTERRA. Here, now I just pop that lid on right there. I got oil all over me. And now I'm just gonna put the lid on and just gently shake this up. And that's it. Once you shake it up with the oil in it, it's good to go. So I hope you can try this. I love it. You could just try it for perfume. Remember, if you do wear it, to not go out in the sunshine. Or not put it in a place where the sun is going to be shining within the 12 hours. So how do you use the jet lag blend? I use it 3 ways. Before getting on the plane, I roll it on the inside of my wrists and the back of my neck and around my hairline. And after the flight, I'll do the same if I feel like I need it, or if I'm way by myself in the plane, I'll use it there. The second way is perfume. I use it on the insides of my wrists and behind my ears. And third, if I'm feeling off, I'll just roll it on the insides of my forearms and inhale it. I love it. So how do you beat jet lag? Comment below and let me know. And if you like this video, hit like and subscribe.
This is Jeannie Bradley, your Essential Fairy Godmother.
So it smells beautiful, and I guess it works because I've never gotten jet lag when I've used it. And flying over, 12 hours away. So anyway, that's it.